DMG MORI enhances the machine performance by offering superior accuracy, rigidity, and repeatability, which are essential for maintaining consistent tool quality and precision. There are many good features in DMG MORI machines, and key features I would like to highlight here are multi-channel machining. Hello, I am Sonali Mure, working as Production Unit Director for Sandvik Coromant Tools Pune Division. Our journey with DMG MORI began in 2004. Since then, the partnership has grown steadily. We currently have 2 CTX 800, 1 DMC machine with PH wheel, and 3 CTX 2000 machines, and all these 5-axis turn mill machines where we are carrying out turning, milling, drilling, tapping, and fine boring operations. We also have a bar feeders which automate material loading, eliminating manual delays and significantly improving the cycle time. DMG MORI has played a pivotal role in enhancing operational capabilities in alignment with Sandvik Coromant's vision to be future ready and competitive.
The relationship between DMG MORI and Sandvik Coromant goes a long way. We have done a lot of successful projects for our customers in all industry segments. Hello, my name is Sunil Joshi. I've been working with Sandvik Coromant for the past 25 years in different roles, and currently I'm responsible for sales for Sandvik Coromant products and services in India. With the emergence of segments like aerospace, defense, also automotive when it comes to EVs, we believe that DMG MORI and Sandvik Coromant can work together. We have extremely good solutions, DMC 65 monoglow PHW and CTX Gamma 2000 TC, which we use in our production and which has helped us immensely in terms of improving our productivity as well as efficiency. I was also very fortunate to visit the DMG IGA factory in Japan, wherein I have seen myself that how DMG MORI is transforming itself to bring automation to the manufacturing industry. This transformation journey, we will need to think big, start small and move fast. And I'm absolutely sure that with the automation progress which DMG MORI is providing to the industry, together with DMG MORI, we will shape the future of manufacturing.